Hey everyone, welcome back to City Life Hacks. I'm your name. And if there's one thing I know about living in the city, it's that it can be expensive. We've all been there, right? You walk out of the grocery store with 2 bags of groceries and somehow you're down $100. It's crazy. But guys, it doesn't have to be this way. Today, we're diving into how you can shop smart and save big in urban markets. We're talking practical tips, tricks, and strategies that can help you keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. Because remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest, put towards your goals, or even just use to treat yourself to something nice. One of the biggest mistakes people make is shopping when they're hungry or without a plan. Trust me, I've been there, done that, and it's how you end up with a shopping cart full of impulse buys and a serious case of buyer's remorse. That's why taking a few minutes to plan your shopping trips can be a game changer. Before you even think about hitting the grocery store, sit down and make a list of everything you need. And I mean everything. Check your pantry, your fridge, even under the sink, because, let's be honest, we've all got that one forgotten can of beans hiding back there. Once you have your list, group similar items together. This will make your shopping trip so much smoother and organized, helping you avoid those unnecessary impulse purchases. Remember, a little planning goes a long way when it comes to saving money. Now let's talk about buying in bulk. I know, storage space in the city can be like finding a parking spot on a Friday night, nearly impossible. But hear me out, because buying certain items in bulk can actually save you a ton of money in the long run. Think about the things you use all the time: rice, beans, pasta, cleaning supplies. These are all things that have a long shelf life, and you're going to need to buy again and again. Instead of buying those tiny, overpriced, city-sized portions, see if you can find a friend or neighbor who's also down with saving money and split a bulk purchase. You'll be amazed at how much you can save. But a word of caution, don't go overboard. Only buy in bulk if you know you'll actually use it before it expires. There's no point in saving money if you're just going to end up throwing half of it away. Chapter 3. We live in a digital age, people. So why not use technology to your advantage and save some serious cash? Seriously, there are so many amazing discount apps and websites out there that are literally giving away free money. I'm talking about apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and Fetch Rewards, where you can earn cash back on your everyday purchases. Then you've got Honey, which automatically finds and applies coupon codes at checkout, so you don't even have to lift a finger. And don't forget about those good old-fashioned coupons. You can find them in newspapers, online, and even on product packaging. It might seem a little old school, but trust me, those few seconds it takes to clip a coupon can add up to big savings over time. Chapter 4. Sales, my friends, are your secret weapon to unlocking incredible deals. But you gotta be strategic about it. First things first, know your stores. Pay attention to their sales cycles. A lot of stores have predictable patterns, like having big clearance events at the end of each season. Secondly, sign up for their email lists. I know more emails, but this is how you'll be the first to know about exclusive discounts and flash sales. And finally, don't be afraid to negotiate, especially if you're buying in bulk or if you find an item that's slightly damaged. The worst they can say is no, right? Chapter 5. Here's a little secret: you don't even have to leave your couch to be a savvy shopper. Before you head out to the store, take a few minutes to compare prices online. This is especially important for big-ticket items like electronics or appliances. Websites like Google Shopping and PriceGrabber make it super easy to compare prices from multiple retailers at once, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible deal. Oh, and while you're at it, check out the store's website or app to see if they have any online-only deals or coupons. You might be surprised at what you find. So there you have it, 5 simple, yet effective tips to help you shop smarter and save big in the city. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about being a conscious consumer. By making small changes to your shopping habits, you can keep more money in your pocket and achieve your financial goals faster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more city life hacks. Happy shopping!